Ever sent money overseas? Have you heard of SWIFT? Ever needed to send money overseas, maybe to a friend studying abroad or to help out family back home? It can feel like a complicated process with all this talk of bank codes and international transfers. But fear not, financial wizards. Today, we're diving deep into the world of international money transfers and specifically whether Commonwealth Bank, also known as Commbank, uses SWIFT. So, what exactly is SWIFT? It stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. Kind of a mouthful, right? In simpler terms, it's a secure messaging system that banks use to send and receive information about international transactions. Think of it like a global translator for all things money moving across borders. Now, back to Commbank. Does it use SWIFT? Absolutely. Commbank actually provides the SWIFT code, also known as a BIC code, which stands for Bank Identifier Code, on their website to help you receive money from overseas. Having this code is essential for anyone sending you money because it ensures the funds get routed to the right place, your Commbank account. Here's the fun part, finding your Commbank SWIFT code is a breeze. Just head over to their website and navigate to their International Money Transfer section. They clearly list their SWIFT code, which is CTBAAU2S, alongside other helpful information you'll need for receiving international payments, like your account number and branch details. But wait, there's a plot twist. While CTBAAU2S is the main SWIFT code for Commbank, some sources suggest there might be variations depending on the specific type of banking service. If you're unsure which code to use, don't hesitate to contact Commbank directly or confirm with the person sending you money. Better safe than sorry, right? Now that we've established Commbank uses SWIFT, let's explore some of the benefits. First and foremost, it's a secure and reliable system. SWIFT has a robust infrastructure designed to protect your financial information. Additionally, it allows for fast and efficient transfers. While processing times can vary depending on the countries involved, SWIFT generally helps expedite the movement of funds internationally. However, there's always a but, right? SWIFT transfers can come with fees. Transaction costs can be levied by both the sending and receiving banks, so it's important to factor that into your budget when planning an international money transfer. Commbank offers resources on their website to help you estimate these fees, so be sure to check those out before initiating a transfer. There might also be alternative options available depending on the amount you're sending and the urgency. Alright, globetrotting financial gurus, that's all we have time for today. We hope this video shed some light on Commbank and its use of SWIFT for international money transfers. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to navigating the sometimes complex world of international finance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.